are going to do a very simple recipe, that is bread pudding with stale bread. This recipe, it needs only 4 ingredients. That's bread, sugar, milk and essence. And this is my personal favorite because it's very simple as well as very delicious. I got this recipe from my mom. So let's move on to the recipe. For this, I have taken 10 pieces of bread. You can take either white bread or brown bread. Then remove the sides of the bread to get a softer pudding. Like this, we can remove the sides of all the 10 pieces. Take a mixer grinder, make the bread slices into small pieces with your hands and put them into the grinder. Just pulse for few seconds till we get it a fine powder. Now I have transferred it into a bowl. I have taken 8 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it with the powdered bread. Mix it nicely. Take 1.5 cup of milk. Slowly mix it with the sugar bread mix. Mix it thoroughly without forming lumps. This batter should have the same consistency as that of the idli batter. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure that there is no lumps in it. Now it is of pourable consistency. Add on 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Combine them well. The batter for the bread pudding is ready now. You can take either a cake tin or a steel plate like this because we are going to steam it. So I have taken a steel plate, greasing it with a little bit of ghee. Grease the sides also. Slowly pour the prepared batter into the prepared plate. Here we can pour the full mixture into it. Level the top of the pudding with a spoon so that it will spread evenly. Now we are going to steam it. Before to that, cover it with a foil paper. Water vapor will not go inside the pudding mix while steaming. I've taken a big vessel, filled it with water, kept a smaller one to keep the pudding mix. Cook it in high flame for 10 minutes, then keep it in low flame for 10 minutes. Total 20 minutes. You can do the same with a idli steamer or in a pressure cooker. Cover it and cook it. 10 minutes in high flame and 10 minutes in low flame. Then switch it off. Now the pudding is ready. You can see it started getting off from the sides. Allow it to cool down completely. Keep the pudding in the fridge overnight. Next day, you can take it out and demold it and slice them into pieces. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do try it home. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and support.